LG Oled. I'm using this TV as a PC monitor 10 hours a day, every single day. Such a beautiful screen. It's also great for gaming. Cool. Video is all about testing, so let's test for the burning. Let's see how many hours of usage we do have already, which means 0413, and that's 731 hours. Not too many. Then, very reflective, shiny surface, white, clean, red, wow, bloody red, love it. Green, fantastic. Blue, uniformities, 75% brightness, it's all clean, no dead pixels, no burning, zero. Gradients, sharpness, viewing angles are infinite, gamma, and response time, it is smooth. Nice, pass the test. Let me show you my settings. And I'm mostly in the game mode, 90 brightness. Look at the quality. Damn. Sometimes it's 90, sometimes it's 60, sometimes even 50 when I do something else than gaming. Mostly I'm doing something else than gaming. Okay, let's turn that brightness down a little bit. I think it's too much. And I think that's all I got for now. Such a quality sound, built-in speakers. You really don't need a soundbar at all. Wow. Dolby Atmos. Beautiful device. I think this is the best TV/monitor in the market. I also has a aftermarket stand, which can give me a tilt. How cool is that? Super cool. Link in the description for you. Wow. And I think that's all I got. This is the first of many tests of that LG OLED. I'm gonna make another video and oh, he recognized me. Okay, calm down. LG, calm down.
Voice is not recognized.
Oh yeah. All right. And we're gonna make further testing in the weeks, months, years, until it dies. Such a great device. That's all I got. See you next video.